Yeah, good day everybody. In this video you're going to be learning how to trade other indices. Now the first one we're going to be checking, probably let's add other indices to our dashboard. So I'm going to click on this plus at the top of your screen. When I click at the plus, I'm going to click on volatilities. When I click on volatility, I'm going to be tapping on this volatility that you're seeing. I'm going to just be tapping them. They will be adding automatically. So I'm tapping them now. They are all adding up. Okay, done. Then I will click on back, which is this back here. When I click on back, if you scroll down, you'll see the volatility. Now, how do we trade this volatility? This is just a simple method of trading this volatility. Now we trade them like Forex. So I'm going to be starting with volatility 10. This first one here, I will tap on it. I'll click on charts to check the chart. Remember, you must be on H1 to check the trend. Now look at this one. Now the trend is a downward trend and it's doing something they call up and down. If you check the market structure, it's doing up, down, up, down, up, down, up, then down. Then I'm expecting it to go up, then come down. So according to our rules, you only trade downward trend when the market is you only trade or sell when the market is a downward trend. So the market now currently is in downward trend. And another thing again, I will zoom down to check another point. Now another point is this point here. The market might likely reverse at this point or this point here. So the market will still come down based on my own analysis. So I might place a sell, or probably I'll place a sell. But before I place a sell, I'll make sure that the market I follow the market structure, which is support and what resistance. So I'm expecting the market to go back up. Then when the market is coming down, then I'll now sell. Okay, so that is that. Then I'll go to another indices to check. Let me check volatility 25. So I'll click on charts, tap on it, click on charts. Now we have not started strategy. I'm just showing you how to add it to your chart, and also how to trade it. No, but we have not really started the strategy, the main strategy. So when you come to 25, now you zoom down to check the trend. What is happening? Is it a downward trend or a upward trend? From what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing something like this. I'm seeing it coming down. So I'll zoom up and it's already coming down. So I'll draw my trend line as usual. I'll draw my trend line. I've known that I'm working within these 2 points, probably these 2 points here. Okay, let me use my shape. Let me use my trend line. Okay, I've gotten the 3 points here. Then I'll add another one. I've gotten another point here. So I'm expecting the market to go within this parameter, within these points. So I'm expecting the market to come down. But according to our analysis, the market might reach here, this point of rejection. So I'm expecting the market to reach this point, probably come down to this point. You understand? So that is how to trade these volatilities. They are not hard. It's just to follow the trend. Whenever you see an upward trend, you follow. Whenever you see a downward trend, you follow. But make sure you draw your support and resistance. Very, very vital. Very, very vital. So this market might still likely to buy. You might likely to buy before it starts selling. So this sell might be a fake out sell, because I'm expecting it to come towards here, touch this line before it starts coming down. So this sell is just a retracement. I'm expecting that the next candle to bring it up and touch here, then before I see a downward movement. So let's check another one. Volatility 50 index. Click on it, tap on it, and click on charts. Okay, first thing, you zoom down to check, are you in the upward trend or a downward trend? If you're in the upward trend, fine. So now the market is doing something called support and resistance as usual. Let's draw our trend line. Click. Yeah, look at our trend line. So the market is doing something like this. So with this, I can say we are in the upward trend. So if I can draw the second line if I want to. Remember, your lines must be straight. Your lines must be straight. Your lines must be straight. Your lines must be accurate and straight. Okay, good. Good. So we are expecting this market to go up according to our support and resistance. It is going something like this. So I'm expecting it to still go up. So until we see a breakout out of this point downward before we consider another downward movement. As of now, it's still an upward movement. So thank you for watching this short video. Very soon I'll be making strategies. I'll be making strategies from tomorrow. I'll be uploading strategies on how to trade volatilities. Thank you very much.